temperature today, I think it's actually just the light of where I'm at. It is day 2 here in Taipei. We've come to Spot for brunch. We're just having a little look at the menu now. Niall, have you decided what you want yet?
No.
No. What are the options? Doesn't even know. Okay, so I think we're going to get a fried waffle chicken sandwich. No, fried chicken waffle sandwich. Or a smoked salmon Benedict. There's some truffle eggs. There's a lot of good options. I'll show you them in a minute. So this is the place we're at. Pretty cute. It's quite close to where our Airbnb is. So we're going to grab some brunch and maybe a sangria. Fill our bellies for the day because we've got a lot to do today. And we're going to take you with us. This is the old menu. This is what I'm thinking of, this fried waffle chicken sandwich. It's a little bit pricey, but it does look good. And then this is the brunch menu. So I think we're stuck between which Benedict to go for. We might go the duck one if that's more unusual. We also have Ferrero Rocher French toast that we've got room at the end. Some pastas. No brunchy cocktails, although they do sparkling by the bottle, and sangria, so I think we'll just get a sangria. So our brunch has just arrived. We went for the avocado toast with bacon and a poached egg in the end. It'll be a bit healthier. And then we've got deep fried duck confit, eggs Benedict with hollandaise. Oh my god, it looks good. I've got sangria, now I've got a beer. Very excited. This place is super cute, look. So we're going to enjoy our lovely breakfast, and then we have got a lot to show you today, so we'll see you at the next stop. Oh my word, it is so sunny here in Taipei today. It's actually very warm and lovely, but it is also super windy, so my hat keeps blowing off. I can't believe how warm and sunny it is, because in Seoul right now it's snowing and it's like in the minuses. We're just by the Taipei 101. Gonna walk over there now and check it out. As I recall, there is a Tim Ho Wan in the basement food court. Not that I probably need any barbecue pork buns after our lovely brunch, but when you get a chance to eat barbecue pork buns, I don't think you should ever turn it down. So we're gonna have a little look around the shops and oh, also wait, hang on, check out this garden. Actually very lovely. But yes. Taipei 101 food court now. There is a crazy amount of restaurants up in here. We're not really hungry, so I'm just getting a fresh juice, a mixed tropical juice. We're going to have a little wander around though. I think there's a supermarket in here. We've already had a little look at some handbags, but the prices are not great, so don't try and buy designer here in Taipei. So yeah, that's my juice. Might just spice it with a little bit of vodka, just sweet. Down to another food court. This one is below the W Hotel. It's where I've been a couple of times before. Look what we found. Tim Ho Wan. And look, no queue. But we're getting some takeout anyway, and we're going to head to this abandoned sake and wine industrial park. I know it sounds really crazy, but I think there's like really cool shops and stuff there, and a little park. So we're going to take our Tim Ho Wan, go sit outside because it's such a nice day, and have a little bit of a picnic. Should be nice. Into the Huashan 1914 Creative Park. Actually a really cool space. So there was an abandoned sake factory and wine factory, and then they've kind of turned it into this, and there's like exhibitions, there's little coffee shops and stuff, loads of cool little spaces just for people to sit and hang out. I think there's bars and restaurants and stores over here. It's so beautiful. Such a lovely way to reuse an old space. we're going to have a little look around here. We're going to sit and have some drinks in our Tim Ho Wan, I think. We can find a spot to chill out. Very cool here. Okay, we found a very cute little spot here. Just by look, it's a little stream. Some people over there taking their wedding photos. Obviously a very popular spot. Look, there's the old chimney from the distillery. So we've got ourselves some drinks, haven't we, darling? Cheers. I'm going to crack into the old Tim Ho Wan now.
Oh yeah, got that now.
Getting rather peckish. It's been a couple of hours since we last ate, I think.
It's been what?
Go on.
A month since we've had Tim Ho Wan.
Open it up. Ooh.
It's the spring roll.
Alright, we'll just open one of the boxes.
Yeah.
I can't wait any longer. Ooh. Cut up. Nice and cool because just switched out. I love Tim Ho Wan spring rolls. Oh, it's very bright here now. And that's better. Is there a bun for me? We got some crisps as well. When we were in the supermarket, got some salt and vinegar crisps, which we're going to bring back to Korea. Here we go. There's the bunny goodness. You know how much I love these. Are you ready? God, I love Tim Ho Wan. Man is a genius. So we've got a little vodka cocktail, Tim Ho Wan, sun is shining. Been a pretty nice afternoon thus far. Hey, we've come back home. I've got a brown sugar bubble tea. I'm not usually sure if I like bubble tea because of the weird little gelatinous balls in the bottom, but I'm gonna give it a try for you. Hang on. Oh, it tastes quite nice. Kind of like a creme caramel. The balls are so weird. Like little balls of jelly. Oh, so chewy. So they're kind of sweet. Just tastes like burnt sugar milk. Actually pretty good. You should definitely try this. It's a must try. You've come to the night market. Finally, 3 trips in, I finally made it. Ooh, and it's busy, busy, busy. Oh yeah. So, we're gonna see what we can find to eat. This place looks like there's stools everywhere. It's the famous pepper buns over here, I think, babe. Some toys. What do you call those? Video games? Yeah, this is what we need to join. Pepper buns. Yeah, we're going to queue. The moment we get here, I want to queue for these little pepper buns. Alright, let's see what this is all about. Wow. Very excited. Ooh! They're baking them in these big, gigantic coal ovens. Oh, they look so good. Right, okay, so we got our black pepper buns. Looks pretty good. I hope it's cooled down enough. If not, Niall's got me a nice Taiwanese beer to cool it down. Alright, you ready? Oh, it's kind of filled with meat. Black pepper steak, maybe? And it's a bit like the thing I had yesterday, but a bit different. Not as flaky. Kind of like a burger. Very peppery. Not bad, but on to the next street food. We got a new food with the boneless pork rib with some kind of mystery spice. Can you hold that? Niall has also got a sausage. Turn it around, face me so I can. Alright, ready? I don't think it's good. Just deep fried pork. Pretty tasty though. Pinky tofu rally. Oh, I'm not liking it here. These stalls just go on forever. They're so much variety. What they got here? I don't even know. There's a lot of places without any English signage, so it's hard to tell what things are. Ooh, that looks yummy. Can we get that? Something smells bad though, yeah. It's the tofu. Roasted chestnut on an open fire. Again. These ones are littler, so maybe they'll keep in the seafood there. But also look. There's a dog with eyebrows. I don't know whether that's creepy as fuck or cool as fuck. I think it's pretty creepy. I'm going to get some of these little dumplings. Found it! Our chicken star. Look at this bad boy. So this is a deep fried battered chicken fillet. Like this thing is like humongous. Like I don't think the video is really showing you how big it is. It's like half a friggin' chicken.
It is a hand.
We got it from this little store over here. Do you want to take a bite? Are you game?
Yeah.
I think it's going to be very hot. Is it nice? Is it? Too hot? I think I'm going to wait to take my bite, but my baby's on it. I found another food. Look, I'm not supposed to show you, but... So it's kind of like a banh mi, because there's like breaded pork in here and cilantro in a donut bread. I'm going to try it. There's some weird sauce in here. I'm not sure if I like this. Seemed like a good idea. You try it. What do you think? It's weird, right? Tastes old. I don't think it's very fresh. It's probably the worst thing I've eaten today. You can't win them all though, right? Found something desserty. I've seen this one here, the creme brulee one, a lot on Instagram, so we've gone for that. I got my creme brulee crepe. Let's film me. Alrighty. I expect it to be cold. It feels like an ice cream, but it's not. Not bad. Hi darlings, it is day 3 of our trip here in Taipei. It is our last day. We've decided to come to the W for brunch today because they do an unlimited alcoholic champagne brunch, which you know I love. I'm going to meet some very, very old friends of ours, or one old friend and her new boyfriend. She used to live in Korea with us, so we're going to hang out with her, lovely Mary. Eat as much as we can, drink as much as we can, and then run to the airport and catch our flight back to Seoul. So that is our plan for today. We're just hanging out by the pool while we wait for the restaurant to get ready and open. So have a look at this. I did actually stay here many, many years ago with my friend once, and it is a pretty cool hotel. So yes, I'll show you brunch once we get it. We're in. This is the buffet. Look. Get up the menu. Wow, look at all that seafood. What's over here? Oh, cakes and desserts. Wow, good. And look, we're going to sit outside. because it's such a lovely day. Gorgeous. We need a full-on tour, so I'm guessing this is soups and noodles. Ooh, and some dim sum over there. Then we've got some lovely fresh juices, carrot and apple, apple and pineapple, watermelon, anything you like. Oh look, so cute. You can just grab them to go, I'm guessing. Wow, that's very sweet. Got some birch and muesli. Over here, there's more desserts. Oh. Yeah, everyone's on the seafood right now. Seafood and eat it. What's here? Okay, vermicelli, porridge, beef bourguignon, cold cuts and salads, cheese over here. Let's see what they got in the hot. Well, they are cleaning out the fish buffet. Wowza. Ooh, so there's some soup, ribs, ooh, nice. Vegetables, prawns, oh, they look good. Oh, here's what I want. These ribs and the roast beef. Ooh, look at the lovely roasted veggies, pizza, calzone, bacon. Oh, lovely. And then I think there's a few things you can get ordered to the table. So it's a great selection. Can't wait to dig in. They finally brought out the old free flow, but I would have liked a lot more in my glass than that for the first one. I've decided to be healthy for the first plate. I've got some chicken salad, potato salad, Caesar salad, some prawn salads. Niall's gone for the sushi. He's already plate deep in his. I love where we're sitting outside. It's so lovely. Right, time to start eating. They rang a little bell and we just had to run up and get our pulled pork eggs benedicts and our chicken, fried chicken with waffles. It looks a little good. And you've got to be fast to get up there and get these as well because they don't last long. Still working on my salad, my first glass, but I'm ready for my second, I think. I have got a full-on meat feast going on here. Got some roast beef, more ribs, beef bourguignon, short ribs. I think there's some other kind of meat on there. It says Meat City. And look! Mary's here. Say hello, Mary. Our darling old friend Mary from, when did we last see each other?
9 years ago.
9 years ago.
Yes, in Chengdu.
What a reunion this is. All you can drink. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
I am back in my winter gear. We're just waiting to board our flight now, so our weekend in Taipei is over, but we've had a pretty amazing time. We've ate some awesome food, and actually I think this has probably been my favourite trip to Taipei, just because I've got to enjoy the city a lot more. So I'm gonna sign off here, but I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. If you have, please comment below. If you haven't, please comment below, give me a thumbs up and watch all my other videos. Bye.